Hi, my name is Nick Stevens. I go to JTech and I'm going to show you how to use one of these. It's a multimeter. Use it to check voltage, amperage, and ohms, which is the amount of resistance in a circuit. We're going to be testing this light here. So I'm going to go turn it on. Check for voltage. We're going to go ahead and turn the meter on to volts. We've got the lead here and here. You got your positive and negative lead. Connect it to the power wire and then go ahead and ground it the way the power goes through. And it's reading about 11.6 volts. Next, we're going to test for ohms. It's my turn. So to test for ohms, connect the positive and a negative to the same bulb. First we got to switch it over though. This symbol here looks like a horseshoe. That means ohms. That's the amount of resistance going through the circuit. So we connect positive and negative. Gotta change the range a little bit. It's reading about 1 to 2 ohms. Connect it. Next we're going to test for amperage. This here is a fuse buddy. Disconnect. Actually, we got to make sure the meter's working right first. So we're going to switch it over to amps. 20 amps. Make sure our fuse is working. So the fuse is working. Take these leads out. Put in the fuse buddy. Put it in the 20 amp slot. And your ground. Alright. Now we're going to come over here in the fuse box.
Charge it up for 5-10 minutes.
Pop this cover off. And then this here is a tool for removing the fuses. And you want to put it inside the fuse buddy. And then insert. I'm going to turn this off first. Turn the multimeter off. Insert the fuse buddy. I'm going to turn it to 20 amps. So we check our amperage. And I'm going to turn it on. And it's reading about 3 amps, which is right. Go ahead and shut it back on. Shut the meter off. Pull this out. Our little tool here. back in. I'm just going to test and make sure the light works again. Hello? Yeah, come on to the back. And our light is now working. And this diagram here is a wiring diagram. Here is the power going to that light, and this is your ground. So it goes through the light and connects to the ground.